I with it.
Hello friends. Are you healthy? Today, let's learn and recognize the names of the dinosaurs. Let's get started.
Apatosaurus.
Apatosaurus is one of the most famous of the giant Jurassic plant eaters. It was a sauropod, a member of a race of huge, long-necked dinosaurs. It was longer than 2 school buses and weighed as much as 4 adult male African elephants.
Baryonyx.
Baryonyx is a spinosaur, a member of the same group as the northern African dinosaurs Spinosaurus and Suchomimus. Baryonyx was smaller than these relatives but was still a big predator. It was 33 feet long and 8 feet high at the hips.
Carnotaurus.
Carnotaurus, meat-eating bull, was one of the most bizarre yet dangerous meat-eating dinosaurs ever found. Its skull was short, with spiked armor on the top and a pair of knobby horns over its small eyes. Bye-bye.
Edmontosaurus.
Edmontosaurus was a large herbivorous dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period. Its name means Edmonton lizard after the location of its discovery, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Bye-bye.
Indominus rex.
Indominus rex was the latest attraction in Jurassic World. The hybrid was created by combining the genetic traits of multiple species. Bye-bye.
Metriacanthosaurus.
Metriacanthosaurus was a fairly large meat-eater that lived in northern Europe near the end of the Jurassic period. This carnivore was fairly typical of Jurassic theropods. Bye-bye.
Pachycephalosaurus.
Pachycephalosaurus is the last, largest, and most famous member of the Pachycephalosauria, or thick-headed dinosaurs. Bye-bye.
Suchomimus.
Suchomimus, crocodile mimic, was a Spinosaur dinosaur. It seems to be a close relative to Spinosaurus, and looks very similar to the star of Jurassic Park 3. Bye-bye.
Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus was a genus of large aquatic carnivorous lizard from the late Cretaceous about 70-66 million years ago. Mosasaurus gave its name to a group of marine lizards, mosasaurs. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to share and do not forget to subscribe to the latest videos. Say goodbye to you and see you in the next video.